Hey, this is David Bradley, training facilitator and coach with Grant Cardone. I got your Tuesday sales tip in under 2 minutes. Today's tip is a very nice, very nice shot in the arm of personal responsibility. Today's tip comes from the president of our company, Jared Glant. He dropped this on our sales team several years ago, but it literally changed how I viewed making phone calls, cold calls, follow-up. This one I'm passing on to you, and it will change everything in your career if you're open to it, if you're ready to receive it. Okay, so here we go. Never ever expect the buyer to call you back, respond to your text or your email. Period. It is never their responsibility to get back to you. It is 100% every single time, always your responsibility to get into, gain, and maintain communication with your customer. That's it. Bottom line, no ifs, ands, buts about it. Period. Function that way, and your entire career is about to change. Never ever put this on your buyer. This has been your Tuesday sales tip in under 2 minutes. For more information about our brand new coaching program, shoot an email out to david@grantcardone.com, call 310-777-0352, or visit cardonesolutions.com/coaching. That's cardonesolutions.com/coaching, cardonesolutions.com/coaching. And be great, because nothing else pays.